guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous rubber band jumbo twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam, my rat tail comb, and my rubber bands to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from the back. So I'm just going to go from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take my Shine and Jam just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then once I'm done, I'm going to start sectioning into boxes. So I'm going to section about 4 boxes on the first line. Alright guys, so once I'm done sectioning the line, I'm just going to take my Shine and Jam and make sure the line is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to take my rubber band to secure it. So I'm going to be using the same rubber band for this hairstyle, guys. I'm going to do the same exact technique, all over my head. So I'm doing the section, use my Shine and Jam, and then use my rubber band to secure it. If you do not know how to secure the hair on your head, sis, I got you. This is beginner friendly. Oh my gosh, anybody can actually do this. Okay guys, so I have about 38 boxes, 38 sections in my head right now. I'm going to be using this 3X X-pression hair, and this is in color 39J. I am using 3.5 packs for this look, guys. Anyways, I'm just gonna take it out of the pack. So let's get into it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to section one piece, and then I'm going to section that piece into 2 equal parts again, guys, okay? I'm gonna be using my crochet needle for this style, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, apply it to the root to my scalp, make sure it's nice and sleek or whatever, and then I'm going to take my rubber band and secure it. So once I'm securing the rubber band, I am not securing it way too tight. I'm giving myself really nice, space. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start taking my crochet needle, place it in, okay, and then I'm going to take my braiding hair. I'm going to be rolling it on my finger. That way it is easier to place on the crochet needle. Then close it and pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're going to pull one strand out, so that way you have like 2 equal strands. Make sure they're both nice and equal. Take the crochet needle again, place it horizontal, and then I'm going to take my braiding hair again, roll it on my finger, and then place it on the hook, and then pull it out, and make sure it's nice and equal on both sides. And then I'm going to give myself a little tug, so this way it is really nice and snug. This is acting like you're already having a nice grip on the roots. I'm gonna take some more Shine and Jam and apply it to the remaining of my natural hair. Once I flip the hair on the top, it's going to be 1 strand, and then I'm going to take the other one and bring it to the other side, and that's gonna be my 2nd strand. Okay guys, so make sure you're watching because this is easy. These 2 right here are my 2 strands that I'm going to start twisting together. Once you start twisting, make sure you're twisting the hair in the same direction, guys. You're gonna twist 1 strand first, and then you're going to twist the other strand, and then you're just gonna start looping them around and then start twisting all the way down. Guys, as simple as I'm saying. And make sure the strand that has the natural hair on it, it is nice and tucked in. If anything pips out, just tuck it in some more and twist it all the way down. As easy as I'm saying, guys. Oh my gosh, as you guys can see, I'm twisting both sides, twisting and then looping them around, twist and loop them around. So once you do this, this is not going to unravel. This actually stays, and the twist looks really, really nice and juicy. So once I'm done twisting all the way down, I'm just going to take a little piece at the end, and then I'm going to tie a little knot. And you guys can tie it twice just to make sure it's really nice and secure. That way it does not unravel. That way you don't have to work twice. Once you're done, you are done, sis. Okay. So I'm just going to repeat the same scenario. Use my Shine and Jam, and then take my rubber band and secure it, not too tight. That way you have enough space between the rubber band and your scalp, okay? That way my crochet needle can go through, as well as the braiding hair, sis. And then you're going to take your crochet needle, place it in. I'm going to place it in upwards first, and then I'm going to take my braiding hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Once I pull it out, I'm going to make sure both sides are nice and equal. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle again, place it in horizontal, and then take my braiding hair again, place it on the crochet hook, and then pull it out. I'm not even having trouble placing the braiding hair in because it is nice and loose. So this is the whole point. You want to make sure it is really nice and loose. That way your hair doesn't break. I'm going to section my hair into two and then give myself a little tug. Make sure it's tight, but not way too tight, sis, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit more of the shine and jam and then apply it to the remaining of the hair. That way, once you tuck it in, it is really nice and hidden. And then you're going to flip the hair down, and then you're not going to pull the hair on the other side as well. And then you're just going to twist them together, going in the same direction, and then start twisting all the way down, guys. So you're going to be twisting and looping them around. That way you have a really nice twist kind of situation going on. And then once you twist it all the way down, you're just going to take a little piece at the end, and then you're going to tie a little knot. That way your twist do not unravel. So I'm going to show you guys another way that you guys can place the braiding hair on the crochet needle if you guys are having trouble placing it in, if your hair is big, if you want to do bigger twist than this. Take your crochet needle, place it in, go to the corner of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to roll it on my finger again because the corner of the braiding hair is really nice and thin because this hair is already pre-stretched. So it's going to be thinner at the corner. Place it on the crochet needle and then pull it out. And make sure the strands are really nice and equal. And while I was still talking, sis, have you guys just noticed we hit 400,000 subscribers? Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I cannot believe we hit 400,000 subscribers. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of you guys. Every one of you guys deserves a shout out today. Thank you so much. This is a dream. Oh my gosh, please don't wake me up if this is a dream, sis. Okay. But really, guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. You know I am nothing without you. And then I'm going to flip the other side as well. So I flip it to the front. So once I do that, I'm just going to twist the hair from both sides, guys. As you guys can see, what I do is I twist them going the same direction, guys. This way they twist better. This way the twist looks really nice and juicy. It looks really nice and neat, and it actually looks like a Senegalese kind of twist. Okay, guys? What I recommend you guys to do is you can actually start sectioning the hair out in advance. That way you have enough and actual equal pieces for all the strands, guys. Okay, so that's what you can do if you guys are having trouble measuring the amount of hair you can use on each strand. Going to place the crochet needle in, and then you're going to take your braiding hair. So you're going to roll it on your finger, and then you're going to place it on the crochet hook, and then close it and pull it out. And then you're going to make sure they're nice and equal. I'm going to section my natural hair into two, and then I'm going to give myself a little tug. So this way it is really nice and snug. Once you do that, you're going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam and then apply it to the remaining of the hair, your natural hair. That way it is really nice and sleek. Once I flip the hair down exactly the way I'm doing, it is already hiding my natural hair, and I'm not going to have too much trouble trying to twist it. Okay, guys? And then I'm going to start twisting the hair. So once you start twisting, make sure you're twisting the hair in the same direction, guys. And make sure you know the strand that has the natural hair on it, it is nice and tucked in. To do something that is really nice and easy that anybody can actually do. If you haven't twisted before, this is your first time doing twist by yourself, sis. I mean, once you do this technique right here, it is actually going to work, okay? And if you were trying to do some twists and use some color and you were having trouble, tucking the hair in, this technique right here is going to work every single time, sis. Trust me. Pause pause the video right here. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell as well. That way you do not miss out on any uploads, sis, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! I'm going to section my natural hair into two, and then I'm going to give myself a little tug. I'm going to take the furthest strand from the back, and then I'm going to flip it to the front. That way, this is my next strand, guys. Okay, so these two right here are my two strands that I'm going to start twisting together. Oh my gosh, very, very easy. Done twisting, I'm gonna take my scissors and then make sure I cut all the flyaways, just make sure everything is nice and uniform, everything looks really nice and neat or whatever. I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil, make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure everything is nice and laid. You know what it is, right? So I'm gonna take my hot water and make sure you're very, very careful because this is very hot. Make sure everything is nice and sealed with the hot water, and that's about it. Make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid. So I'm taking my Kiss Edge Fixer and using my brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to lay these baby hairs all the way down. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my styling strip and make sure everything is nice and laid. And baby, when I tell you this twist came all the way through, yes! I am in love with this burgundy twist right here. Yes, sis, this twist came all the way through. Let me know if you guys are loving them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. Let me know if you guys think this twist right here are a hot style or whatever. Okay, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here I'm adding this gold accessories that I got from Amazon. And baby, these accessories made this style go all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here. And let me know if you guys think this is an easy peasy kind of tutorial as well. Okay, let me know once you try. Let me know how easy it is for you to achieve. And make sure you're tagging me on Instagram at Tupo1 once you're trying these styles, because sister, I want to see how you guys are looking out in the streets, because I know y'all looking cute or whatever. I gotta give you some styles here and there, and baby, all the styles are coming all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are loving this jumbo twist, because I am, sis. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the love. Thank you for sharing my videos. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I cannot believe we hit 400,000 subscribers. So today, sis, we are going to aim high and let's hit what? A million. At this point, it is what? It is up from here. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today, sis. Oh my gosh. But make sure you're sharing this video with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.